Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to print a document using Taskalfa 2551ci. So let's on the printer first. This is where we on it from. We on it from here. As long as it is plugged to electric outlets, you press here to on it. When it is on one, then it is on. This one is off. This side is off. This side is on. And once you on it, the printer will start booting. So once it is ready now, we are going to send in our print job. The printer is booting up. Okay, the printer is ready. So once the printer is on, the next step is to connect your PC to the printer using cable. And I've done that. Look at the cord. I already connected it to the printer. So I've connected the cord to my laptop. So the next step is to send in the print job to the printer so that it will print it out. So, and I'm using CorelDRAW to print. You can use Microsoft Word, you can use any other software to print, as long as you have your work ready. So what is the next step? The next step is to use your pointer and go to File, click and select Print. Look for Print and select it, Print, and then you select Print. Once you select Print, this dialog box will display. You know, the printer is colored. It prints colored and black and white also. And you must have installed the printer on your PC. So the next step is select the printer that you have the name of the printer from the dialog box here. You click and look for the printer. The name of the printer is Taskalfa 2551ci. As long as you have installed it, you see it there among the printers that are installed. So you select it. So once you select the name of the printer, then you go to properties and click on properties. Once you click on properties, you select the paper size from here. You know, our work is on A4, or the printer also prints A3. So if it's A3 you want to print, you select A3. If it's A4, if it's later, just so you know the size that you want to print on. So I'm printing on A4, so I will look for A4 and select it. So I've selected A4. Then the next step is to select either colored or black and white. You'll be looking at my pointer. If it's black and white you want, you click here and the thing will print black and white. If it's colored, you select the full color. Just be looking at my pointer. This is where you're going to select the color, either color or black and white. So I want it to be colored, but if it's black, you select this one. This is black. If it's colored, you select this one. So I've selected the color, so it will print colored. Okay, so the next step is to click on OK. You just click on OK. Okay, then this is the orientation. Here you select the orientation. You know, our design is in portrait format, so this is portrait. If it's a landscape something, you select this one. So let me just click OK. Once you are done, click OK down below here. OK. Once you select OK, then click on Apply. This is Apply. And then once you apply, then you click on. Then another thing you can set is the if you have more than one page, If you have more than one page, then you can set it here. But as you can set, if it's more, you have more than one page, you can select the number of pages you want from here. If it's 1 to 2 or 3 to 4, just you set it here. But as in this case, we have only one page, so I will just click on current page. So the next step is to click on print. You click on it to send it. Print, and we just sent it. The thing is showing that something was sent to the printer, and it is trying to print it out. Okay, so let's see the work we just printed. Amazing. So can you see? That is how you print colored, or you print anything at all using the printer. If you wanted it black and white now, you see, if you wanted it to be black and white, you have selected black and white in the printer dialog box. So that is how to print anything at all using the printer I showed you. Look at the name. So that's the printer I'm showing you how to use. Then now let's photocopy this printout we just printed. Let's photocopy it. Let's do it black and white first and see how it goes. So just you open here. You open here like this, and then you place your paper. Make sure the thing reach this edge. You know, this printer is for A3. The thing prints A3 downwards. So just make sure the paper reach there. Then you close the printer. So once you place your paper inside, then you go to click on copy. Okay, once you click on copy, then go to, we are going to select we are going to do it black and white. So the next step is go to color. You see, this is color image quality. Click here. Okay, once you go there, you go to color selection. Click on color selection, and then you can now select the one you want. If it is in full color now, but I want it to come out as in black and white, so I'll select black and white. Okay, once you are done selecting, you click OK, and then you are done. Then you cannot set, as you can see, the copies you want is 1. If you want to make more than 1, you can press, if it's 5 you want, you press 5. I just press 5. I press 5 now. Let's just see the 5. So this is where you set number of copies you want. So I've set what I want to set. Now the next step is to press start. This is where you send from. Once you place your paper and you are ready, and you have finished setting all the necessary settings, just click here to start. And you start photocopy. So let me press it and see. So that's how you do it. Let me cancel the job. I only wanted okay, no wahala. You see, I wanted to do 1, but I did 5. So can you see, from color this thing now, we now did it black and white. You see, and it did exactly number of copies I wanted. So that is how to do black and white. So let's do color photocopy now. Let's do the colored one. So the same process, you go to that same, go to color image quality, you click on it, you go to, these are some other settings you can do. These are some other settings, but the one I want to set now is color selection. I'll click on color selection. I want it to be full color. It is on full color already. So once it is on full color, I will say okay, and then I'm done. Then the next step is to enter number of copies, just like I showed you. If it's 8, you press 8. but I don't want 8. I really want 1, so I'll just press 1. No. So I will just, let me cancel everything. So the thing is now in 1. So what is the next step? I will now press start. This is start, and it will start copying. So let's see. Okay, and this is it. And you see, this one is colored. This one is colored, while the other one is black. And then another, this we just printed on A4. You can print on A3 because this printer prints A3. It prints A3 downwards, so you can print from A3 down. So that is how we do it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.